We got some good luck. We have been taking this little hiking trail that we are on, and it has dead-ended right here over top of the railroad tracks. And Billy is pointing to something. He is really excited. There is a train coming down the tracks. A full-size choo-choo train going across the Red River, and then it's going to go right underneath of our feet. And I think that he is going to be pretty ecstatic. Billy is getting closer. The train's getting closer. It's going to be a safer environment, really. He's going to be loud, Billy. When he goes by, he's going to be loud. He's going to be loud in your ears. He's going to be loud in your ears. If he blows the whistle, because he sees us up here, he'll probably blow the whistle. He's going to be loud, Billy. I'll do this video in 2 different segments because it's going to take probably 3 or 4 minutes for it to get here.